Hello there, Zena James here, and although Tropical Storm Jerry, which we will get into a bit further down in the forecast, was situated north of our islands, it actually pulled a lot of the moisture in the atmosphere toward it instead of over us. Now, that resulted in us having mostly hot and sunny conditions for most of the day, but as Jerry continued to move west, the outer bands of the system began brushing western Tobago and northern Trinidad during the afternoon hours. But as we head into tonight, the indirect effects of Jerry may continue, bringing partly cloudy skies with a few showers possible closer to the morning in some areas, along with a low chance of thunderstorm activity over eastern Trinidad and much of Tobago as well. No need for the blankets tonight. Temperatures will stay on the warmer side, around 25 degrees, so it could get down to 24 in Piarco and 28 degrees over in Tobago. Now, taking a deeper look at Tropical Storm Jerry, it is currently east of the northern Leeward Islands, and Barbuda, Anguilla, St. Bartholomew, St. Martin, St. Martin are all under tropical storm warnings, while Antigua, St. Kitts and Nevis, Montserrat, Saba, St. Eustatius, Guadeloupe and all the nearby islands are all under tropical storm watch. Now, these islands can expect, and some are already experiencing, significant rainfall up to between 2 and 4 inches and gusty winds. Now, Jerry is expected to continue moving west-northwest with the potential to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane by Friday, maintaining that strength as it tracks well east of Bermuda into the open Atlantic before returning to some tropical storm conditions. Now, the TTMS advises that Jerry poses no direct threat to Trinidad and Tobago, but with us being positioned a bit farther south, we will still see some indirect influences. So on Friday, with increased instability and moisture in the atmosphere, a mix of sunshine and clouds is expected early on, but by midday we could see increasing cloudiness and a low chance of thunderstorm activity. Because of that added cloud cover, temperatures are expected to come in just 1 degree cooler, around 32 degrees or 31 for those of us in those more rural areas. Now, for Tobago, conditions are expected to be slightly different. With the island being closer to the system's influence, there is a slightly higher chance for showers and thunderstorm activity throughout the day. So we are seeing a lot more of those lightning icons, and that cloudiness will linger all the way into the night for Tobago. Your daytime high will come in a bit warmer, around 32 degrees. And with Jerry now north of us, when it comes to our seas, we are seeing a decrease in the impacts of those easterly swells. As a result, the TTMS has discontinued the hazardous seas alert, but still advises caution since intermittent larger breakers in the safe zone can still be expected over the next day or so. So with that in mind, we are looking at moderate sea conditions with wave heights up to 2 meters in open waters and staying below 1 meter in sheltered areas. Because of the influence of Jerry as well, we will maintain that wind change, so we could see the winds out of the south, but sometimes out of the east as well. And here's a quick look before we go at your high tide and low tide times for both Trinidad and Tobago. Now, that's all for your Thursday night weather. I am Zena James. Have a safe and enjoyable evening ahead.